Back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Fleetwood 93TW. You want to turn your light on and off. It's done right here. You turn it to your left. Most important things is this arrow have to match up to the N. I guess N means neutral, I'm not sure. But then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 for your buttonholes. That matches up to your 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This is going to be right. This is going to be the top. This is the left. And this is the bottom. Changes your needle from left to middle to right. This is your width control. You have to push this in. Then turn this outside part in order to change your width of your stitch. This is your stitch length. You go from 0 to 4. I keep mine set on 4 on all machines. This is your reverse button. This over here is for normal sewing. This is for silk. And this over here is for embroidery. You change this to embroidery if you're going to select these. Pick your different stitches here. You have to move this all the way right. Turn this to the right like that to pick your different stitch. This is not on manual. It will not straight stitch. You sew, you have to flip this back to the left for a straight stitch or for any sewing. More videos coming up on this machine, so stay tuned and check out my other videos. Like what I'm doing, hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. See you next video.